In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Sam's Club Business Credit Card 2026, step by step. Once you receive your Sam's Club Business MasterCard, the first thing you'll want to do is activate it. This is an important setup step, and you should follow the activation instructions that come with the card. Usually that process is quick and straightforward, and it ensures your card is ready to use securely. After your card is activated, go ahead and sign in to your Sam's Club online account or open the mobile app. This gives you access to your card details and allows you to manage your account more easily. It's also the best place to keep track of your activity, check balances, and stay organized from the start. If you plan to use the card often for Sam's Club purchases, you can add it as your preferred payment method on the Sam's Club website or in the app. Doing this can make checkout faster and more convenient, especially if you place recurring orders or shop online regularly for business supplies. When you're ready to make a purchase, you can use your business MasterCard at Sam's Club in store, online, or through the app. At checkout, simply select the card as your payment method. One helpful thing to know is that this card can also be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted, not just at Sam's Club. That makes it useful for both business-related spending and other eligible everyday purchases depending on how you manage your expenses. In some cases, the merchant may ask you to enter your PIN or sign for the purchase. That part will depend on how the payment terminal is set up, so just follow the prompt on the screen or the cashier's instructions. After each purchase, take a moment to review the transaction and keep your receipt. This is especially important for business record keeping, expense tracking, and making sure everything matches your account later. You'll also want to monitor your account activity regularly using your online account or monthly statements. Checking in often can help you catch any unexpected charges, stay aware of your spending, and keep your card usage under control. Another key habit is paying your balance on time. You can do that through the online payment portal, the mobile app, or any other payment method available through your account. Paying on time helps you avoid late fees and interest charges, and it also supports better account management overall. Finally, if your card includes rewards, make sure to redeem any eligible rewards according to the program terms.